Hello everyone. My name is Sasna Priya Kartini. Now I'm studying pharmacy at Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya. In this video, I would like to share my personal reflection on my English course this semester. In this reflection, I'm going to talk about their main things, my performance during the course, the most interesting unit I studied, and my overall learning experience throughout the semester. At the beginning of this course, I often feel nervous and anxious about English skill, especially when I had to pronounce certain word or sentence. I thought my pronunciation wasn't very good. However, after practicing several times, I become more confident and realized that I could actually perform better than I expected. The most challenging part for me was pronouncing long or unfamiliar medical terms. Sometimes I had to repeat some words or ask my friend if I pronounced them correctly. From that experience, I learned that regular pronunciation practice is really important to improve speaking skill. The most valuable lesson I learned is that preparation and confidence truly make a difference. When I prepare well, I feel calmer and more focused. This experience also helped me realize that good communication skills are not only useful in the classroom, but also essential for my future career as a pharmacist. I feel proud of myself when I can answer questions confidently and pronounce the words correctly. It showed me that progress always comes through effort and persistence. Among all the topics studied, I think the most interesting is chapter 13, Working Pharmaceutical Documentation. In this chapter, I examine many of abbreviations used in medical context, such as those related to patient information, symptoms, disease, treatment, and drug dosage. This topic is closely related to my major and future career. As a pharmacy student, understanding medical terminology are critical to communicating accurately with doctors, nurses, and patients. This lesson also made me realize that English is not just an academic subject, but a practical skill that supports my future work, especially when reading recipes, medical journal, or drug information written in English. Throughout this semester, I learned many interesting and useful things. Some of the chapters we studied were skin, hormones, heart and cardiovascular system, urological system, and mental health, writing pharmaceutical documentation, and so on. Through this material, I not only learned medical vocabulary but also how to use it properly in healthcare situations. Apart from studying theory, I also practice pronunciation, dialogue, and written exercise which help me improve my communication and understanding of medical English. I believe my pronunciation, speaking, writing, and reading skill have improved. However, I still have difficulty understanding listening, especially when the speakers speak too fast or use foreign vocabulary. I plan to practice more in this area to get better. In the future, I would like to focus more in English for clinical situations, such as communicating with patients or explaining medication interaction. This skill will be very useful if I work in a hospital or international pharmacy. Based on my performance this semester, I think I deserve to be in this course. Even though I am less active in class discussion, I always complete assignment on time and try to do my best in each assignment. Overall, this course has taught me many valuable lessons. I have become more confident, responsible, and disciplined in learning English, especially in the medical field. I hope that the knowledge I have gained can help me in my study and career as a pharmacist.